Hello, my name is Miriam De La Vega, but you can call me Teacher Yam. I am 31 years old from Cebu, Philippines. I am a licensed professional teacher with TFL certification, bringing 9 years of diverse teaching experience to the classroom. I began my career as an ESL and math tutor for 1 year, then spent 2 years teaching at an international school, and have dedicated the past 6 years as a mathematics teacher in traditional classroom settings. My teaching methodology centers on creating an interactive and supportive learning environment. I believe in using real life examples and hands on activities to make learning meaningful and enjoyable. I adapt my approach to meet each student's unique learning style, ensuring that everyone feels confident and engaged. When I'm not teaching, I enjoy playing instruments, singing, and traveling. I'm passionate about helping students discover the joy of learning English, and I would love the opportunity to support your language learning journey. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to any question you might have. Bye bye.